This is calculator question number 11. College Board is asking how long it will take Tony to read this particular novel given the information about the novel and about Tony's reading rate. There's a lot of extraneous information here, information we're not going to need. We don't need to know the number of chapters or the number of parts. We don't need to know the number of pages because we don't get a relationship between pages and Tony's reading speed. What we do need to know is hours per day of reading, words per minute, and total words in the novel. So if I take 3, 4, 9, 1, 6, 8 words, and I multiply that, and I have right here words per minute. So if I divide by words per minute, that's the same as 250 words equals 1 minute. Since 250 words is the number of words in 1 minute, so now we cancel words and we have the number of minutes. We also know the number of hours Tony reads per day, so let's convert to hours. 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes, and the minutes cancel. We now have the number of hours that Tony will be reading, and I'm running out of board space, so I'm going to simplify that. 3, 4, 9, 1, 6, 8 divided by 250, and then that answer divided by 60 tells me we have 23.278 hours. That's probably more precise than I need. And the question is how many days? And we're told Tony reads 3 hours per day. So if I multiply by 1 day over 3 hours of reading, because even though 1 day equals 24 hours, 1 day of reading equals 3 hours of reading. The hours of reading cancel, and we're left with 23 over 3 is 7.76 days of reading, which is about 8. That would be choice B, because they asked which is closest to the number of days. College Board often gives us excess information, and it's important to sort through slowly and carefully to make sure you're using the information you need. And don't worry if you have some information you're not using. That happens a lot in the real world, and just as much with College Board. Come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.